Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the items you need and positioning yourself. Open your inventory and equip the paint item. If you must, craft a spray bottle from empty containers so you have a usable dispenser. Once done, approach the surface, planks, walls, or vehicles, and face it directly so aiming lines up. Make sure to have enough paint. Running out mid-stroke wastes time. This first action gets you in the right place and with the right tool, so painting will register correctly in game. Now you execute the actual painting. Aim using the center reticle and apply paint in controlled bursts rather than holding down continuously to prevent overspray and conserve paint. Move around the object or rotate it if you can, so you cover edges and undersides. Small, overlapping strokes yield even color and hide texture seams. Pay attention to wetness. Some surfaces accept paint slower, so wait a beat between coats. If you need patterns, change angles and complete the job by inspecting the painted area and applying a second thin coat if needed to even out color and cover missed patches. Once done, step back to view from different angles to confirm full coverage. Some finishes look different at distance. If paint fails to apply or shows clipping, try re-equipping the paint tool, moving a few meters, or relogging the area to force an update. That simple reload fixes most glitches and preserves your paintwork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.